I'd like to say hello to our regular audience and thank you for watching again. Today, we'll return to the pungent world of garlic and explore a less discussed aspect, the potential adverse effects of eating raw garlic first thing in the morning. I need to ask you a little favor before we get into this fascinating topic though. If you found this video to be informative and helpful, we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will be among the first to learn about fresh health and wellness material added to our site. Okay, let's discuss garlic. It's common knowledge that eating raw garlic has numerous health benefits. We're here to help you understand the complexities of using this or any other natural cure by breaking them down into language you can understand. This video will explain all you need to know about garlic, whether you're a die-hard fan or just curious about how it can fit into your diet. Get cozy because we're going to explore the less discussed aspect of garlic, its possible effects when consumed prior to eating. Number 1. Digestive discomfort. Raw garlic, especially when consumed on an empty stomach, can cause gastrointestinal distress. Garlic has many positive health effects, however it can be unpleasant for the stomach if taken on an empty stomach. Discomfort in the stomach, bloating, gas, and even diarrhea can result from this. The sulfur components in garlic, especially allicin, are to blame for many problems. While there are several health benefits to consuming these substances, doing so on its own may cause irritation to the stomach and digestive tract. So be careful about eating raw garlic on an empty stomach if you have a weak stomach or a history of stomach problems. However, if you're set on reaping raw garlic's health benefits, it's important to know that there are techniques to lessen these side effects. Number 2. Heartburn and acid reflux. Heartburn and acid reflux may develop after eating raw garlic on an empty stomach. Those who are more vulnerable to these problems are the ones most likely to experience these discomforts. The muscle that separates the stomach and the esophagus, the lower esophageal sphincter, can be loosened by garlic. The burning sensation of heartburn or acid reflux is caused by stomach acid backing up into the esophagus when this muscle relaxes too much. If you have a history of heartburn, eating raw garlic on an empty stomach may not be the best idea. However, these unpleasant side effects are not inevitable when reaping garlic's benefits. Number 3. Bad breath and body odor. Garlic breath and its close relative, garlic-induced body odor, are real, not mythical, consequences of eating raw garlic. Because garlic includes sulfur compounds, those compounds can be exhaled or sweated off after ingestion. In certain cases, the smell of garlic might linger for up to 2 days. This isn't usually a problem when you're spending the day with people who share your love of garlic, but it can get awkward in business meetings or social gatherings. If you plan on eating raw garlic, it's a good idea to have some gum or mints on hand to combat the bad breath that will inevitably follow. As an added courtesy, you may want to let folks nearby know. Garlic may cause transient bad breath, but its health benefits usually outweigh the drawbacks. Number 4. Skin irritation and allergies. It may come as a surprise, but some people are sensitive to or develop skin irritation from eating raw garlic. While this is more typical with topical use, some people may experience skin concerns after ingesting garlic. Though uncommon, garlic allergies do occur. Minor skin irritations like redness and itching are possible, as are more serious responses like hives and trouble breathing. If you've never had raw garlic before, it's best to ease into it gradually. Take note of any discomfort or strange reactions your skin may experience. Those who experience these symptoms should immediately stop eating garlic and seek medical attention. In the remaining minutes of this video, we'll go into greater detail about how to include raw garlic in your routine without worrying too much about skin reactions. Number 5. Lowering blood pressure too much. Garlic has been widely praised for its purported potential to reduce hypertension. However, as with any powerful cure, it should be used with caution to avoid unwanted side effects. If you eat a lot of raw garlic, especially on an empty stomach, your blood pressure may drop significantly. However, if you're currently on medicine to control your blood pressure, this could be an issue. Large doses of raw garlic in the diet while taking antihypertensive medication can cause hypertension or dangerously low blood pressure if not monitored by a medical professional. Any major dietary changes, including increased garlic consumption, should be discussed openly with your healthcare professional. They can help you find the optimal dose of garlic to reap its advantages while keeping your blood pressure in check. Number 6. Garlic burns and skin irritation. Surprisingly, garlic can irritate the skin or even cause burns if applied directly to the skin. This may come as a surprise, given the widespread belief that garlic has miraculous curative powers. The strong chemicals in garlic can be irritating to the skin if applied topically. When applied topically, raw garlic can cause irritation, redness, and even burns in some people. This is especially true for those who have sensitive skin. Garlic should always be diluted before topical application to avoid these side effects. It may be less irritating to the skin if used with a mild carrier oil like olive oil. In addition, before using medicines containing garlic on a larger scale, it is advisable to perform a patch test on a small area of skin. When using garlic on your skin, whether for cosmetic or medical purposes, it's important to take precautions to avoid any adverse reactions. Number 7. Potential interactions with medications. Although garlic may seem safe at first glance, it actually has the potential to interact negatively with some drugs. Garlic may raise bleeding risk if you're on blood thinners. If you're on such medications, ask your doctor before increasing your garlic intake. If you take medicine for diabetes, garlic can reduce blood sugar. Some people benefit from this, but if you're not careful, you could develop hypoglycemia. Garlic may also counteract the effects of HIV/AIDS drugs. There is evidence from a few studies to suggest that garlic may alter the metabolism of some medicines. In short, if you're on any kind of medication, you should talk to your doctor before eating garlic to make sure it won't interfere with your therapy. Conclusion: balancing the benefits and risks. To sum up, eating raw garlic on an empty stomach has many health benefits, but it's important to find a happy medium and avoid overdoing it. If you want to maximize garlic's benefits while limiting its drawbacks, moderation and prudent intake are essential. Here are some important things to remember if you're considering adding raw garlic to your diet. 1. Start slow. If you're curious about how your body will react to raw garlic, try a modest bit first. 2. Pair with food. Avoid taking garlic in the morning on an empty stomach by eating it with your meals. Some of the pungent flavor of garlic can be mellowed by cooking it or crushing it. 3. Consult a healthcare provider before drastically increasing your garlic intake, especially if you have underlying health concerns or are using drugs. 4. Monitor your body. Keep track of how your system reacts to garlic. Reduce your intake if you're feeling any negative effects or discomfort. Remember that moderation is essential in all things. Consuming garlic in moderation can bring taste and health benefits to your diet. By keeping aware and selecting choices that fit your health needs and interests, you may enjoy garlic without the risks. Thank you for exploring raw garlic's adverse effects on an empty stomach with us. Our intention is that you gain some knowledge and understanding from this. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more candid health and wellness discussions. We much appreciate your interest in our videos and look forward to your participation in the future.